Hi, welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tashi. Tashi is a Cypriot dip that is traditionally served as part of a meze. You know, with the more common dips, houmous, taramasalata and tzatziki. If you haven't got a clue and are wondering what is this Tashi, let's just say Tashi is hummus's cousin without the chickpeas, with a little bit more garlic and a little bit more lemon. Most people make their dashi in a food processor, but I don't, because why waste time washing up? You can just stir everything in the bowl. Everything is liquid except for the garlic, which you're going to mince into the dashi, so it's going to melt in anyway. So I don't want to have more washing up to do, so I don't do it. But if you want to use a food processor or a blender, then do so. So let's get started. I have measured and set out all my ingredients. You only need 7. 150 grams of tahini, 65 ml of lemon juice, 3/4 of a clove of garlic, pinch of salt, chopped parsley for the top, 60 ml of extra virgin olive oil and 65 ml of water. I like to stir my dashi in my serving bowl because it saves washing up. Have you guessed? I don't like washing up. First, add your tahini into your bowl. Tahini is roasted sesame seeds that have been ground into a paste. If you try it now, as it is, it will taste bitter and a little nutty. That is why we add some lemon juice for some sourness, which will make the tahini taste less bitter. Stir well so the lemon gets mixed in and your dashi is thick and curdled like this. Don't worry, it will be smooth in the end. Now time to add our garlic. I'm not a big fan of raw garlic. It is too pungent for me and leaves a nasty taste in my mouth that lasts for hours, so I don't add a lot, but if you like it, then add more. The garlic adds some heat to the dashi, which will balance with some extra virgin olive oil. Give it a mix, then add some salt. This will bring out all the flavours: sourness, bitterness, pungent heat, but if it is well balanced, it won't taste salty. I bet you're wondering why it is so thick like paste. Don't worry, add in water and give it a good stir and it will be lovely and smooth. Don't watch me getting it everywhere. Just use a bigger bowl or a smaller spoon to mix it. Okay, looking good. If you want your dashi to be a bit more thicker or a little bit more runnier, then just add less or more water. Dashi tastes better the next day and the day after. So if you want it on a specific day, then make it at least the day before. Right, this needs to set overnight, but first, let me just tidy up my bowl so it looks presentable and sprinkle over some chopped parsley, which I haven't chopped too fine, but it's all good. Right, dashi is great with souvlagya and souvla and sheftayers, as well as gleftigor and potatoes, but I love eating it with some guluri, so like Cypriot seeded bread. Look how creamy my dashi is, and now it's time for me to dig in. Yeah. This is so good. When you make this, and you're like, oh, as you're going along, if you want it to be more lemony or more garlicky or more watery, then just add more lemon, more garlic, more water. But if you want it to be less lemony, less garlicky and more thicker, then you're going to have to do it next time. And do it and then just work your way up. I like it like this because I think all the flavours are balanced perfectly, but you need to make it for your taste buds. So use mine as a guide and just adjust it and have fun experimenting. But this is so good. I love it, especially when you get it with some parsley that keeps leaving. So tasty. This is so tasty. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!